Hi, Clay from Pole's Backyard Farm. I'm doing something for the garden. If anybody has grown celery, you know what I'm talking about. Celery doesn't grow up into a stalk like you get out of the grocery store. That celery had to be blanched. Now, I'm not saying it's blanched as in cooking, like you'd freeze it or anything. Blanched from the sun. Now, what you notice the celery will grow out into a group because it spreads out so it can collect the sun on the leaves. So what I have done, I have taken some PVC drainage pipe and I cut them into 9-inch lengths and I ran them down the saw so that they're split like that. Then you would take a hinge and put a hinge on both sides of the cut. Then when you pop riveted or screwed the hinge on there, then you cut down the opposite side so it opens and hinges like this, see? Now I've got to make 8 of them because I have 8 stalks of celery. But what you do is when you take your celery, when it's all laying down like that, and you pull it all up, and you put this around the stalks, then you take some duct tape or masking tape or anything to go over and hold this together. Your celery, this will cover your celery stalks, but your leaves will be out the top collecting the sunlight. You would put these on about 3 weeks before you're ready to harvest your celery. I just wanted to show you what I did for these. This is 4-inch pipe. I got the stuff that was the dark inside because you keep your stalks in the dark like that and pulled together and they self-blanch. That's why your bottom of your celery is lighter colored than the top of your celery. And it also makes them sweeter so you don't have that bitter taste. And then you can take your tops, once you harvest your celery, don't get rid of them leaves because they're great dehydrated for soups. So this is just one little project I've been working on. I've got these all pre-cut. Now I've got to put the hinges on them, just like this, and then cut down the back side. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll try to answer them one of the next videos. This is Clay from Pole's Backyard Farm, and remember, you too can be a backyard farmer.